Okay, it's recording. Oh, you might have to switch this screen. Or not.
On the night of January 19th, 2022, a young couple, a pretty blonde girl, and a camouflage mop man were broken down in a 1995 Cutlass Supreme that is broken. Here lies the story of this creepypasta.
It's not a creepypasta.
6 hours later. You still there?
Could have chose a...
Some say the man name is Bananaman still rolls around these woods. Bananaman in 1987, the great banana spike of 87, Bananaman impaled 3 children on a spike of bananas and ate them in a banana split sundae.
Banana split sundae. Really the epitome of creativity. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Did you hear that? What was
No,
that?
but I got whipped in the face by a stick.
Here it is. The legendary stump of 87.
Is that the stump of 87?
That's the stump of 87. This is where... Clean your phone off. This is where the fabled banana impaling happened, on this very stump.
Freddy Fazbear?
No, it's Bananaman. Get your canon right, you faggot. Kidding.
We're gonna have to edit that out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to edit that one out. Alright. I saw Bananaman. He's in front of us. There he is. Did you hear that? What the fuck? He's right here. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Does it jump scare yourself?
It wasn't Bananaman. It wasn't Bananaman. Onwards. You hear that? Some say it's Bananaman's death call. It's the song Spinning Like a Ballerina by 2 Chainz and Shakira. Onwards. There's the fence. You must turn back. Bananaman's in the fucking trees, man. There he is again. Did you hear that?
No.
Forwards, my love. That must be the Bananaman plague. Oh shit. They took her. They took Bananaman. What is that? What is that? My God. She's defaulted in her original animation. But let me press F to interact on her. It's glitches. Sometimes you get them in this game. Okay, hold on, just type in TCO and reset AI. Alright, onwards.
Oh, it's fucking cold.
You want my jacket?
No, I just got a face full of fucking snow.
After that minor software glitch in the Matrix, we're proceeding on a journey to find Bananaman, Legend of the Impaler. Is this a cyberpunk crossover right here? Johnny?
Wake the fuck up, samurai.
Who the fuck said that?
We got a city to burn.
Yeah, onwards. Bananaman did that. Somebody just default dances in these woods.
What the fuck was that?
Was what?
I don't know.
Bananaman. That's who it was. This way.
Damn, bitch, you live like this?
This is Bananaman's territory. Don't insult it. Oh my god. Bananaman's making me deep throat a stick.
Please stop deep throating this stick.
That was terrifying. My god, that was terrifying. Bananaman controls these woods. Right here was the spot. Come here. Oh, I gotta reset the fucking AI again.
It's cold out here.
Reset. Yeah, enter. Fucking devs need to update this bitch. Right here was a spot that the player character proposed to the female character 11 months ago. And gave her that.
My hands are cold.
Too bad the player character is a gay retard.
And reloaded the save to do the male romantic interest.
Oh my god. I think I smell Bananaman's uterus this way.
What's that smell? Are you ovulating?
I think he's ovulating. Bananaman must do some timber work around here. Bananaman's nowhere to be found this far. I found yet another opening in the woods.
Make sure you're still recording, otherwise this would be not funny.
It is recording.
Okay.
Slow blizzard. Making it hard to move now. 10 hours later. You were a Bananaman all along. Stop recording. Stop recording.